This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Sue has no idea what's about to happen, but how should I prank her? Oh! That's it! It's obvious! I'll hide her hairpins! She'll be so confused! I'm a diabolical genius, the prank master! Whoa! Ah! Betrayed by my own pranks!
Oh no! My hairpins! Everything's a mess! Sam, do you know anything about this? Unbelievable!
Sorry, Sue. I was trying to prank you. I mean, Raj was pranking you.
Hang on. This gives me an idea. Let's go, Sam.
Well, that was unexpected. Coming! Look at us, Sue. The pranking partnership. The dynamic duo. Raj doesn't stand a chance.
We are not pranking, Sammy. We are making a craft. We are going to make something to store all my hair accessories.
So, no more pranks? That's okay. You know how I love my crafts.
I sure do. It doesn't get better than this. Crafting can soothe my nerves and make me relaxed. Wow, that looks pretty good, huh?
I'm not sure, Sue. It's a little underwhelming.
Come on, Sammy. You know there's more to do.
I was thinking we could use Princess Sparkles as our inspiration.
Great idea, Sam. You could create the unicorn's face while I cut the foam.
Wow, that's quite a responsibility. I'm so ready for it. You really mean it?
Of course, Sammy. You are my crafting buddy.
I'll do it for Princess Sparkles. I can't let her down. And you, of course.
Aw, thanks. Now get the coloring supplies, please.
Be right back. Let's ride, Princess Sparkles!
Have a safe ride! And I'll be right here. Now the shape's cut out. Let's remove this. And we've got our unicorn.
Sorry it took so long. Princess Sparkles had an accident. Did you know unicorn poo-poo is rainbow-colored?
Never heard of that. But thanks for sharing. Now I need to cover the unicorn with tape.
I need to get into the right mood. I want the creativity to flow. Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's make a unicorn.
I can't wait to see. I know you'll do a great job.
Leave it to the master, Susie. I know what I do. A flick of pen here, another there. These strokes are gems. I think it's ready. My opus, my masterpiece, my… Oh!
Is there a glitch in the masterpiece, Sam?
Oops! That didn't go as planned. How am I going to fix this? It's awful! I need help! Princess Sparkles! You are here to save the day! You are my guardian angel!
Princess Sparkles did a great job!
Next, we need to cut it out. Allow me! This is great! So much fun!
Take it easy, Sam. You don't want to make any mistakes.
I think I know what I'm doing. I just need to… Oh! We may have a problem. Oh, even Princess Sparkles couldn't fix this.
That doesn't look so bad. I think we can still use this. It just needs a little fixing.
You mean it's a happy accident? Oh, cool!
It sure is, Sammy. Actually, it will be even better than we thought.
I guess we don't need this anymore.
No, I'll take it.
Okay.
We want a horn that shines. So I'll print this paper horn on some gold paper.
Wow, you're a genius! Can I have it once you're done?
Here you go. What are you going to do with it?
Just wait and see. Patience!
Oh, that sounds mysterious. I'm intrigued.
It will blow your mind.
So, is this ready yet?
No, Susie. Now it is time for some shimmer. Let's make it shine!
There you go. I feel the magic vibes already.
Susie, look! I'm twinning with the unicorn! I am a unicorn!
Wow, you look amazing! It really suits you.
I know!
So, how are we gonna decorate our unicorn? What do you say, Mr. Unicorn Expert?
Well, it's the unicorn beauty season. We need Princess Sparkle's expertise here.
Not quite what I meant. I thought we could use watercolor paint.
A little too conventional, but I'll go with it.
We don't need to do a lot. Just apply some smoky effect to give a nice look. Just like this. You'll see it really bring out other colors.
You're on your own, Susie. Princess Sparkles wants a makeover. I never said that. Yes, you did. Just relax, Princess. I'm a pro at this.
He sure is. You're in good hands, Princess. Subscribe if you agree, friends. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Check it out, Sam. The smoky effect looks great.
I can't see a thing. The smoke gets my vision blurry, but keep going. Now it's time for some lippy tint. This shade will make your lips pop. How about some rouge?
Maybe I'll go with pink rosy cheeks for our unicorn. Thanks for the inspiration, Sam. Let's fix some smoky pink then.
It's what I do, Susan. I'm full of great ideas. I'm like a creative guru.
Like I said many times, what would I do without you? Aw, this is looking adorable. How is it going over there, Sam?
Everything's going well. The Mona Lisa will be trash compared to my creation.
What else should we have here?
How about lovely long lashes?
That makes sense. Unicorns do have long lashes.
Huh? What? I was talking to Princess Sparkles. Do not copy my creation.
Excuse me, Mr. Slimy Slime. I need your expertise on this, remember? All done, and voila! Wow! I wish my eyelashes were this easy to do. And it goes right here.
Whew, finally my work is done. This is so exhausting. Time for the big reveal now. Say hello to the new Princess Sparkles. Ta-da! Hello, everyone! Holy cannoli! How is that even possible? Is this real? Am I dreaming? Pinch me, somebody! Ouch! Let me take a closer look. I guess I'm much better than I thought.
I don't know what to say.
We should probably clean this off. What a relief. I think I'm gonna stick to helping Sue.
Good, because we still got a lot to do here. Let's not forget Unicorn Rainbow Mane. First purple.
Oh! Sue, do the yellow next, please!
You got it, Sam. Yellow it is.
Oh, yeah!
Friends, I remind you to put extra care when using the hot glue gun.
That mane is a bit too long for our craft. This unicorn needs a little trim.
I agree, Sam. Oh, and you can do the honors.
Really? I'm on it!
While you do that, I'll make a braid. This will add extra style to her hair. It's just like doing my own hair. Although mine isn't as colorful as this. Add a cute little bow at the end. This is one cute rainbow braid. We are ready for your unicorn band, Sammy.
The unicorn's ready. And I hope you are ready for a fresh new me.
This is getting more interesting and unexpected. Don't you think, Sam?
Maybe. Let's just continue with the craft, Sue. Yippee!
It's like you can read my mind, Sammy. So the mane is actually our superstar here. We will store our hairpins by putting them on the mane. You can pin them in a certain way that they look unique and festive.
Wow, it's magnificent and adorable. I love it!
Let's hear what Princess Sparkle's got to say about this unicorn hairpin organizer.
I think it looks like me. No, it looks like me. No. It looks like me. Wow, so pretty! I could look at it all day! Aww!
I know, right? Huh? What's this? Sam, is this book yours?
Huh? My prank book!
Let's agree on no more pranks, okay?
Okay. My prank days are over. It's better to craft, have fun, and laugh with friends. Although, I do have an epic prank for Roger. Maybe just one more prank. See you later!
Sammy, wait! Where are you? Bye, friends!
All right. Your Majesty, I have some dreadful news.
Let me guess, my throne is gone?
Yes, it's a royal disaster. A castle without a throne is like the sky without the sun. A carriage without wheels. A unicorn without a horn.
A cat without a catnap.
Some terrible thief must have come and taken it while we were all sleeping last night, including those of us who weren't supposed to be sleeping.
I'm gonna find that throne, I promise. Princess, allow me to offer my services as a professional detective.
You couldn't find your tail if it were attached to your belly button.
I'll have you know that before I became a hero of the Royal Guards, I was the best detective in the whole kingdom. They called me Inspector Clouseau, because when I get my hooks in a case, I don't let go.
Well, I hope you're better at finding stuff than guarding it.
Please?
Oh.
Okay, Inspector Clouseau. Where do we start?
We could spread out and look for clues.
I know. Let's spread out and look for clues.
Oh, do you really have to hold the thing up like that?
Yes, I do. It makes me look more professional.
I'll search inside.
Okay, everyone. Look for footprints.
Oh. This is going to be harder than I thought. Yeah, how can we tell which footprints belong to the thief?
Well, your castle is the most visited place in the kingdom, Billy.
Yeah, even by giant snakes.
Giant snakes?
See? Giant snake prints.
That's not a snake print. That looks more like something has been dragged on the ground. Like,
The throne!
I know! The throne!
Come on, let's follow the trail and see if it leads us to the throne.
Hey, Inspector Clouseau first!
You know, even with his magnifying glass, that cat's still clueless. Hey, everybody! Did you miss us? We've got a brand new song for all our fans. Isn't that right, Antoinette? Yeah, Marie. It's called We Have Emerald Rings and You Don't. Don't you wish you were us with our emerald rings? We're the twin princesses, we got the coolest bling. When we flash these rocks, other princes come running. Just sweep us off our feet, cause these emeralds be stunning. I wish someone would sweep them off their feet and into the garbage can.
Inspector Clouseau says no dawdling. Let's go. The tracks end here. The trail has gone cold.
no it hasn't, kitty cat. Oh, I mean, Inspector Clouseau. It looks like the tracks lead into this cave.
We got him! The thieves must be inside.
Aha! The thieves must be inside. Inspector Clouseau solves another case.
Well, not yet. Let's go inside and see.
Oop. Isn't that growling? How about we go home? Who needs a throne anyway? You can have my cushion, princess.
Look, there it is.
Let's just take it quietly and get out of here.
Why is it so heavy?
Oh, a baby, how cute!
Ogre!
You woke up my baby, you little mouse!
Who you calling a mouse? I'm Inspector Clouseau.
Hey, 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 hey! Put that mouse, I mean that cat down.
We're sorry to wake your baby, Mrs. Ogre. Oh, we didn't mean to.
Princess Billy, what are you doing here?
Well, I came to get my throne back.
Oh?
Which you took.
I'm so sorry, Princess. I was going to ask to borrow your throne, but nobody was awake, so I just took it.
There's a name for taking without asking. Stealing.
It's true, it was a bad thing to do, but it was an emergency. Rocking him has been the only way to soothe him ever since someone stole his teddy bear.
His teddy was stolen?
Yes, sadly, his beloved bear.
Oh, that's one cute teddy with those emerald buttons.
Emeralds? Didn't we just see emeralds somewhere? Yes. Remember? Don't you wish you were us with our emerald wings? The twin princesses!
They must have stolen the teddy to make rings from his buttons.
Well, let's go get it back!
But, Billy, the twins aren't the type to give things back when they're taken.
Except when they have no choice. Hey, Billy, have you come to drool over our new emerald rings? No, I came to ask you to return them to their rightful owner and the teddy bear that goes with them. What are you talking about? You can't prove that we stole them from the baby ogre. Antoinette! Well, it doesn't matter anyway. We're not giving them back. Yeah, so get out of here before we stick our meanest pandas on you. We thought you might say that. What are you gonna do? Play us a song for little babies? One last time. Are you going to return the bear and the emeralds? No. You asked for it. Make it stop! Do you want to hear the rest of the song? No!
May I present this gift for your baby from our Royal Highness, Princess Billy? Oh, how can I ever thank you?
Well, you can start by thanking me. After all, I'm Inspector.
Ah, you're right. Thank you so much, Mouse.
Mouse?
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. Can we please have our pillows back? Otherwise, we'll have to make our own pillows with your clothes.
Good idea, Billy. Their sweaters are nice and soft. They'll make great pillows.
Well, if you put it that way. Thanks. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Pillow fight! Hey, we want to play too.